Welcome to my channel. My name is David Abu. If this is the first time that you're watching my video, please click the subscribe button. Now, today we'll be talking about creating DAX in a very fast way. And a whole lot of us sometimes that are new in DAX, you just sometimes don't even know where to go to. You don't even know which syntax to write, even which function to write. So how do we create DAX in a very fast way? So let's head to our report and let's see what we want to do. Now my manager says that, oh David, I want you to give me the exact price for Germany. But Germany is in the country here right now, and I want to know that how in a column, how do I be specific about one item or one category? How am I specific? So we're going to go ahead to our report and let's see how we can get the price itself of Germany or the total sales of Germany. So let's go. So now I'm going to go to page 2, and on a normal time, what we can do is we go to slicer, we click our country, then we create a normal card visual, and we click sales. As simple as it is. So we go and click this, Germany, Mexico, and this. But Germany this is what our boss wants to see. This is what our manager wants to see. Constant. So how do we do it in a very fast way? And that's just what we'll look at. I will be using something that we call the quick measure in Power BI. So this is our quick measure, and this is one way to click it. You just click it, or I go to sales here, I right click sales, and I'm going to see new quick measure, and let me click it. So now new quick measures is where you calculate different things, and text, mathematics, time intelligence, total filter, or aggregates per category. You just calculate different type of calculations, so you don't waste your time. It's just for you to have faster calculations, and it even helps you know more DAX calculations and how it's being written. So now we want to go into a column, filter it out, and bring Germany. So what I'm going to use the filtered value. And I'm going to click on the filter value. We have our sum of sales already. Why do we have that? Because we started from sales, and so it was so easy. What do we want to filter? We want to filter country. In country, what do we want? We wanted Germany, and I click OK. So it's going to work and give me this sales for Germany. So can you see sales for Germany? He has already given us the calculations. You don't need to write anything. So let's be sure if it's going to give us 23.51 M. So now let's go and let's bring in a card visual, and I'm going to bring in Germany. Can you see sales for Germany? They are actually the same thing. So if I click Mexico, Germany is to stand. If I click USA, Germany is to stand. What do you think about this? So now the next one I want to check, even in quick measure, is this. We want to do our month to month. So now there's a whole lot of DAX that you write from month to month, but how does quick measures helps us to write month on month? So I'm going to bring in a table visual. Oh, okay, sorry about that. So let me just go bring in a table visual. I'm going to bring in here. Where's my here? Bring in here. I'm bringing month name. Okay, so this should be table. Yeah, so now we have something like this. And now let me bring in sales. Good, so we have this. Now we want to work on this right now. Now we want to know our month-on-month differences. That's just what we know, our month-on-month differences. So how do we do that? How does quick measures help us do that? So I'm going to go again, create, see new quick measure. Then I go to time intelligence. We're seeing the month-over-month change. Sum of sales. What is our date? So we need to go and bring in date. I go to my date calendar. enter my dates. Bam! Immediately I enter my date, I just click OK. Simple as ABC. That's what we say in Nigeria. Simple as ABC. So now I'm going to click the sales right now. So click the sales. Let's look at the calculation. Let's look at the calculation. Can you see? Previous year, previous month equals to date add return divide. Oh, you don't want to write this. So let's see. So let's bring it into our table. So let's bring it into our table. Bam. And you can see this right now. So this is sales month on month. And that is how beautiful quick measures are. So what do you think about this? I want you to type it in the comment section. I want to see what you do with it. And also, as an assignment, I want you to go to quick measures, create something. So how can you see? You say, oh, I'm looking for a data set. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to do Control N right now to create a new Power BI desktop report. So this is a new report, and can you see, try a sample data set. So when you click on it, then immediately you see that you can try a sample data set.